and I have cut this picture into 4 pieces. Can you put this picture together so that it looks like this? Mhm. Well done, Cora. You are